Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're gonna test now the App2CAR video streamer, so you can watch YouTube movies or YouTube videos or Amazon videos on your car. So this car is an Evoque Range Rover 2021. It has a USB Type-C and a Type-A in the car. Being honest with you, I tried with the USB Type-C and it didn't work, so I'm now trying with the USB Type-A because it did work for me on the USB Type-A. So suggestion is, if you have cars with the two ports, try with one or the other. And as soon as I plugged in, the product gave me lights, which is a good indication. And now I'm gonna show you how it gets connected. Very straightforward. So the device has been identified by the car. And here we go. We have the product ready installed. It says, for your safety, do not watch videos while driving. As you know, with this device we can watch videos while driving, so please do not attempt to do that. The first thing we do is go to settings, wireless LAN, and we connect the wireless LAN from our hotspot mobile phone into this product. Searching right now. And ready to go. It is connected now to the Wi-Fi into my iPhone. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the menu, and simply we go to the apps installed, and we have Netflix already installed there. We're gonna install into the Netflix and give it a go and watch some movies on Netflix. Okay, and we have installed Netflix. We put our signing on credentials, and then what we're gonna do is just gonna go through the shows and just quickly play one of the movies. This one looks good, Salvation. Just play, and it's loading the movie. So as mentioned before, the connectivity is through the hotspot of my mobile phone, so you need to first connect to the hotspot on your mobile phone. And there we go, we have Netflix on the go on our cars, watching on the car screen. We're gonna back to the main menu. Remember that this product also can play movies and videos from a USB stick. So very simply, we just simply put the USB stick on the USB port of the product. Sorry, I'm gonna do this one-handed, and then just go to USB drive, and here we go. We have 3 songs and 4 videos on the USB stick. We're gonna play one of the videos I have a movie here in the USB stick. So there we go, we can watch movies from the USB stick. We can watch Netflix streaming from your wireless hotspot, and any other application you want to download from Google Play Store. Thank you very much. If you want to know more about this product, go to www.smartworldcompany.com.